The restoration team meticulously installs the freshly wrapped dashboard, its smooth lines and premium materials immediately elevating the cabin's feel. Next, the digital instrument cluster is carefully fitted into place, a sleek panel of glass promising a high-tech driving experience. The center console follows, its modern controls and integrated systems seamlessly connecting the car's new electronic heart. With a soft click, everything is secure. A press of the start button brings the screens to life with a vibrant welcome animation. The ambient lighting glows softly, reflecting off the new surfaces, transforming the once dated interior into a modern, luxurious command center. The fusion of classic design and cutting-edge technology is finally complete. Scene opens with a drone-style wide shot of the restored classic BMW driving along a scenic mountain pass during golden hour. The sunlight glints off the polished chrome and deep blue paintwork. The camera follows the car as it navigates the winding road, then slowly begins to rise, capturing the breathtaking landscape. The roar of the engine echoes through the valley, a powerful symphony of engineering and passion. The car becomes a smaller speck in the distance, a testament to its journey from forgotten relic to a moving masterpiece. The camera continues to ascend, leaving the car to conquer the road below as the sun sets. Screen fades to black, text appears,